Hi Capricorns, this is your September career reading for the month, and I am going to look at the energies that are going to be around you. I have already divinated upon your cards, and the cards have come out. They fell out on their own, and I have a meaning for them because I have clarified them again, and I have got a picture in front of me regarding the energies that will come to you, what kind of energies will be harnessed by you, what kind of energies will be forgotten by you. All these things I'm going to talk about, and how it is going to impact your career or money, job, or finance. So, before I start this reading, I took out a card from the Lenormand to see the overall success and money situation and the advice. The card that has come out for you is number 12. It is the bird's card, but it is in the reverse. So, what is it saying? It is saying that detailed analysis and investigation of something will open up new perspectives. There could be unstable misfortune or fortune. So difficult situation or a difficult solution has to be made. Examine a job proposal closely and think about it twice before giving your approval. So there will be professional frustrations, could be some business trip which can upset you. There could be a congress or study course. Despite the agitation, you can't put off an important decision and a drastic change in environment and objectives of your job situation or career situation. So there could be tension and unexpected change in your success situation. There can be inevitable change of environment, and you should not oppose it because it can cause argument with a partner. Annoyance and setbacks during a business trip can happen. So regarding money, it is saying smaller than expected sum will be found by you. So there could be, setback in getting exact amount of money. That is what I am seeing. So, nothing decisive for good or bad, but could be instability and short term distress regarding something. So, this is the situation for you. The crowning energy in your career is Queen of Swords. This is a problem solving energy. If it is your energy, then it is a good energy. This is discipline. This is, making logical decisions regarding your career. Problem solving energy. So you will be finding solutions of your problems, but the solution that you have on your mind could be something different, and the ultimate solution will be something different. So there will be difference in expectations and the reality. So there will be, either good or bad situation, but you will be trying to solve a problem, and you will be able to do it because you will be in an ambitious mode right now. With the King of Pentacles energy, which confirms your energy, I am seeing that you will be attracting lucrative proposals. You will be stable in your monetary situation despite the distress or problems that you are facing, because I am seeing the Tower reverse and the Seven of Pentacles here in reverse. So this means and it is, these two are clarifying the King of Pentacles position. So the King of Pentacles is maintaining its balance despite the Tower. You had a narrow escape from a misfortune. You had a narrow escape or change. You are changing your circumstances from a stagnant situation. So what is happening is, you you had the Tower moment. You had the Seven of Pentacles in reverse, but you will be avoiding these things, these misfortunes which were supposed to happen, but they did not happen because you skirted out, and the King of Pentacles is prevailing. So basically, you have saved yourself from unexpected problem, unexpected problem in your career. So you will be narrowly escaping from that. That is what I am seeing. Angels are saying new course of action will be taken by you, new direction will be taken by you, new environment will be chosen by you to exceed or extend your work situation. Some of you will be accepting a transfer, some of you will be going to a new environment, new place. So it will be maybe a short term commitment by you, not a long term, but success is assured with the emperor card. So restorative energy within law and order of a certain place or a certain country, you will be able to find success. I am seeing the wheel of fortune coming in. Wheel of Fortune is showing a new path, a new beginning for you. So, fortunes will be changing for you. From if you were in a bad time, then good times are going to come in. New situation of job or opportunity will come to you. Someone will offer a new beginning to you. So, what I am seeing is an old situation is going to die, an old situation of maybe a family situation is going to die for you. Closure will happen. So a closure will happen with an empress like energy. I also feel that there is a Libra or Taurian or Aquarius energy of women around you who will be giving you sound advice regarding your financial situation. So because of them, you might be closing something, or you might be changing your course of action, or you will be going through a transformation in this period. For some of you, you are getting out of illnesses, you are getting out of trauma, of misfortune, and you will be able to gradually have growth in your situation. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying that self improvement is a must in your career at this moment. Thoughts should be put to a certain situation or certain aspect of your career which is troubling you. So you need to, maybe so for some of you it is a long distance career situation. So you need to make adjustments, you need to reconcile with your family demands or with your own demands. So you have to get into a planning and prospecting mode to make adjustments and improvements in your career situation. That is what I am seeing. So some of you will be buying or selling a house, prospecting for property. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying there will be a situation of deception, there will be a situation of problems in a certain work and rebuilding that. So maybe someone will commit some treachery around you, some deceitful person will be around you. So you have to build or rebuild something again because of their deception. That is what I am seeing. Could be an air sign around you which will be troubling you, who will be doing some deception or hiding something from you. So angels are saying keep working on your pentacles, do your hard work, do your work to increase stability in your life. So two of cups situation definite for you, new beginning is definite for you, solutions will be found by you with this new opportunity. That is what I am seeing. A middle path regarding your finances, regarding your fortune situation will be found, money will be found, solutions regarding something will be found with buying or selling of assets. That is what I am seeing. So as you go forward, your outcome energy is saying a struggling period still, but you will be on the higher ground, you will have something to support you or back you, maybe people around you, maybe staff around you, maybe family members around you, whoever are there, you will be able to grab those challenges which are coming to you and fend yourself off. You will have this defensive energy to keep everything together. That kind of energy will be there. You will be defending your position in a career. That is what I am seeing. You could be plagued with a trapped situation. You could feel that you have been trapped in a certain situation, so you will be defending yourself, you will be self beating also, and you will be having doubts regarding your talents or your situation in money. But angels are saying you will be able to successfully start something with other people, with help from friends or family members. A new commitment will be done by you, and this will be based on your knowledge from the past and the experiences that you have got. So, sound advice, restoration of career energies are going to happen, new commitments with colleagues and friends, new commitments with a big institution, maybe for some of you, new studies, new work, new you know uh, maybe you will be going through a process for some of you, step by step, that is also I am seeing. And you will be asked by the angels, you are being asked by the angels to not throw away tradition, go with the tradition, go with the rules, go with the convention. That is what angels are saying. So get out of, if you are in this situation of feeling rejected or feeling passive about a certain situation in your career, you need to open your eyes, you need to be alert to see that opportunity coming from behind. So there will be change in environment, there will be change of decisions, you might be going for a new situation, new beginning in your career, some of you. So angels are saying grab that opportunity, find your success, be in control, and worry only about yourself at this moment, and how you are going to grab that opportunity, how you are going to be successful. Angels are saying that finally you will be successful, finally you will be selling a house or buying a new house, you will be getting reaping rich rewards, you will be getting a promotion, some of you. A final working is showing in the month of September, an opportunity of celebration. So you will be celebrating something, you will be getting an opportunity and finding success. Lot of hard work I see with the 8 of Pentacles. And construction of career, reconstruction of career is being seen here. Angels are saying don't be hesitant. If you are hesitant, you will not make money. If you don't take a decision, and if you are fearful of failing, then money will be less for you. If you take that risk, the entrepreneurial risk, you are going to make money, and definitely rich rewards are coming your way. If there is an opportunity, one opportunity will be over, one opportunity will start. Whatever decision is going to happen regarding an interview wherein you are applying, I am seeing that a fair and favorable decision will be done for you. For some of you, there will be signing of contracts, getting into a new job, quitting an old job, new things, new path. And a decision, a final decision will be made by you and accepted by you in this time period. So that's it, Capricorns. If you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. If you have career problems and you want me to see your career situation, what you can do is you can come to me if you are really troubled. I do these readings for people, and these are exhaustive sessions. So these are valuable time spent on looking at future and what's coming to you. So these are paid readings, so you need to contact me only and only if you can pay for it. So people who want it, please leave in a request in the comment box. People who are missing out their readings, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when I am uploading your readings, because these readings are time bound and they have to be seen within the time period. So this is a reading for the month of September, so you have got lot of time. So watch it, and you can re-watch it again in the month while the month is going on. So that's it. Bye bye.